Hello friends, welcome to Tips and Tricks in Mathematics. This is for class 11 students and the topic of discussion is permutations and combination. In this video, we will be focusing on the NCERT solutions for exercise number 4. The first problem, we need to find NC2 if NC8 equal to NC2. Whenever such conditions are given in two combination equation, for example, if NCR equal to NCP, then either R is equal to P or R is equal to N minus P. This you should remember. Either R is equal to P or R is equal to N minus P. So we will substitute here. R is 8 here. So 8 is equal to N minus 2. Solving gives N equal to 10. But we need to compute further NCT. So what is NC2? That is 10C2. 10 factorial by 10 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial. As compared to permutation equation, additional r factorial comes here. So this will be 8 factorial into 2 factorial in the denominator. Numerator we can write 10 into 9 into 8 factorial. We stop here so that we can cancel it with the denominator term. And 2 will cancel with 10. 2 into 5, 5 into 9, 45. So NC2 where n is equal to 10 is equal to 45. Determine n if 2NC3 proportional to NC3 is equal to 12 is to 1. So we compute separately these two terms, then divide it and make it equal to 12 by 1. Let us compute 2NC3. This is 2n factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2n minus 3 factorial. This is the formula for NCR. N factorial by r factorial into n minus 3 factorial. So this will be 2n factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2n minus 3 factorial. So what is 2n factorial? 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 into 2n minus 3. We stop here because denominator we have a 2n minus 3 factorial. So that this get cancelled and denominator 3 factorial is 6. So this term will be 2nc3 will be 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 divided by 6. nc3. Now let us compute this n factorial by 3 factorial into n minus 3 factorial. So this we write n factorial as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 factorial because n minus 3 factorial is there in the denominator. We stop here. So that this get cancelled. 3 into 2 is 6. So NC3 will be n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 6. Now to solve this, we substitute this value. So this term divided by this term will be equal to 12 by 1. So we write it like this. 6 will get cancelled. 2 will take common in this. So this will become 2 into n minus 1. N minus 1 will get cancelled with the denominator term. We see here n minus 1 is getting cancelled. So 2 into 2 will be 4n. So 4n. 4 into 2n minus 1 divided by n minus 2. So this will be remaining like this. Solving this, we get n as 5. So how many chords can be drawn through 21 points on a circle? So here n is 21, r is 2. We use the combination formula NCR 21C2. Often students get confused here. They want, once a problem is given, they don't know whether to use permutation formula or combination formula. People tend to use permutation formula also here, but that is not correct. So how do we distinguish when to use permutation and when to use combination? Combination is used when the order is not important. In this, the order is not important. So we use the combination formula. In case of problems where order of sequence is important, then we use permutation. In this particular problem, we continue with combination. So n is 21, r is 2. 21 factorial by 2 into 19 factorial. So this will be 21 into 20 into 19 factorial. This will get cancelled. 2 will cut with 2010. So this will be 210 chords. In how many ways can a team of 3 boys and 3 girls be selected from 5 boys and 4 girls? So we need to select 3 boys among 5. So n is 5, r is 3. We use NCR formula and compute number of ways of selecting 3 boys as 10. 5 factorial by 3 factorial into 5 minus 3 factorial, which is 10. Similarly, for girl selection, n is 4, 4 girls total, and 3 girls are to be selected. So NCR again 4C3, we get 4 ways. But we have to use both combinations. So we multiply these two. This is very important. So 10 into 4 will give the total number of ways. 10 into 4, 40 ways. Find the number of ways of selecting 9 balls from 6 red balls, 5 white balls and 5 blue balls if each selection consists of 3 balls of each color. So we need to select 3 balls of each color, that will make it 9. So 3 balls are to be, red balls are to be selected from 6 balls, 3 white balls are to be selected from 5 white balls and 3 blue balls are to be selected from 5 blue balls. So what is the combination? N equal to 6, R equal to 3. 6 CR, we put it in the formula and get it as 20 ways. So number of ways 3 red balls can be selected from 6 red ball is 20. Similarly, 3 white balls among 5 white balls we need to select. N equal to 5, R equal to 3, we get 10 ways. Similarly, 3 balls from 5 balls, again similar to this, N equal to 5 and R is equal to 3, we get 10 ways. But for final answer, when we are selecting all the balls, we need to multiply these terms. We have to multiply 20 into 10 into 10, which is 2000. Determine the number of 5 card combination out of a deck of 52 cards if there is exactly one ace in each combination. So in a deck of 52 cards, we have 4 aces that we know, that is the standard deck, and there will be remaining other cards will be 48. So out of 52, 48 will be normal cards and 4 are aces. So out of this, we have to make 5 card combination such that 1 is ace. So 1 has to be chosen among 4 and remaining 4 card to be chosen among 48. So this will be 4C1, this will be 48C4. We have to multiply these two terms to get the total number of ways. So 4C1 is 4 factorial by 1 factorial into 4 minus 1 factorial. This is 48 factorial by 4 factorial, 48 minus 4 factorial. So 4 factorial will get cancelled. 48 into 47 into 46 into 5 into 45 factorial, 44 factorial will get cancelled. So final answer will be 778320 combination. In how many ways can one select a cricket team of 11 from 17 players, in which only 5 players can bowl, if each cricket team of 11 must include exactly 4 bowlers? So total number we have 5 bowlers we have and others 12, total 17 players are available for selection. We have to choose exactly 4 bowlers. So 4 bowlers are to be chosen among 5 available, so which is 5C4. Similarly, remaining 7 players are to be chosen among 12 players, so that will be 12C7. So we need to multiply these two. Total number of players is 11. So that is why 7 we have to choose remaining players. So we have to multiply these two terms to get total number of ways. 5C4 into 12C7, we simplify and get it as 3960. A bag contains 5 black and 6 red balls. Determine the number of ways in which 2 black and 3 red balls can be selected. So we need to select among 5 black and 6 red balls. 2 blacks are to be selected from 5. So n equal to 5, r equal to 2, number of ways will be 5C2, which is 10. Similarly, 3 red balls are to be selected among 6. N will be 6, r equal to 3, combination will be 6CR, which is 20. And we know we have to multiply these two to get total number of ways. So total number of years will be 10 into 20, which is 200. In how many ways can a student choose a program of 5 courses if 9 courses are available and 2 specific courses are compulsory for every student? So total 9 courses, 2 are compulsory courses and other courses are 7. So he had to take 2 compulsory courses and remaining 3 courses, because total 5 courses he has to take. So this is 2C2, which is 1. So basically he has to select 3 courses from 7, which is 3C7. So 3C7 is 7 factorial, 3 factorial into 7 minus 3 factorial, which is 35. So there are 35 number of ways of selecting 3 courses out of 7 courses. Friends, with this we conclude this video. Please like and subscribe my channel so that in future more videos can be released to you instantaneously. Thank you very much, friends.